everyone. Today's video is on Go Fish. So this is actually an activity I came up with when I was out of school observing a teacher, and I was just having this conversation with her and it clicked to have Go Fish math cards. And this is what I came up with. I have these cards that I have created on a PDF that say Go Fish Math on the front, and they have math problems on the back. So there's one set that has addition and subtraction, and it goes from 1 to 10. And then I have another one that is multiplication and division going from math facts. I think that these are great activities that could be used for math fluency in the classroom. It could be used in a station or center rotation. It could be used as just a fun thing where you do with small groups and have them play at the end of the class day or to begin their day. I think this is just a fun activity to have in your back pocket when you need to be able to pull it out and use it. Now, I only had white paper, but I think these would be more fun using colored cardstock. So I have put this on Teachers Pay Teachers. I'll put the link below. They're 99 cents for each pack, so it's not like a huge expense. I just wanted to be able to share this beyond the video work, and that's where you'll be able to find these. I would love to hear how maybe you use these in your classroom, so if you do, share in the comments below. As always, please hit the like button if you like the video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.